Hey guys, this is Crypto Vic, and today I'm going to do market analysis on cryptocurrencies. So this is my very first video on this channel, so I hope you guys like this, and if you do, please do support me. I'm planning to do this every day, and I hope I have your support. So let's get started. So on my screen we have Bitcoin. So Bitcoin had a very good rally from the bottom, and it's actually going an up-sloping structure, creating higher high and higher lows. And it got rejected from a supply that was created during the panic selling, and it's actually facing a tough time breaching through that. So at the moment Bitcoin is sustaining on a fresh demand that it created on 26th August, and failure to sustain about this can lead the price to this demand zone, and that would create the price to be in an oversold situation, and I'm expecting the price to head higher from here or from here. And if it do so, Bitcoin has to sustain above this level and breach above 50k for Bitcoin to lead to higher prices. And you can see if there is a very good wide expansions on the way up, and low activity and lower thrust on the way down. So that kind of shows that there's a very good demand at the bottom. So if price is able to sustain about this, then I'm expecting Bitcoin to breach about 50k and head to higher prices. And next we have Ethereum, which had a very good movement for today and yesterday. It actually broke out of the range it was building up. This is actually a very good range which I have been forming for over 23 days approximately, and breaking out of it right now. So that is giving good signs in strength. And so I'm expecting Ethereum to head higher. If you're looking forward to create a position, new positions, I would expect you guys to get in when there is a retest of this base. Do not get in here. This is more like a FOMO entry. You should give it some time and wait for some kind of range action before you enter again. And next we have Matic. So Matic currently is at a demand zone that was created 19th August, and it's actually sustaining here. This looks like a good place to take a long positions. And guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Even if you're investing, please have proper risk management and invest only money you're afford to lose. So yeah, Matic looks like in a good place to actually buy, and you can target the higher prices. And if it's able to breach through this resistance, this supply area, you can expect the price to test all-time highs. ADA had a very good rally, and it's actually sustaining on top range of this rally from this demand zone that it formed. And you can actually wait for the price to break out of this equal lows and take out liquidity and buy here. This looks like a very good location to buy ADN and target higher prices. And there's some news coming out for Cardano based about an upgrade they're gonna do, that they're gonna release smart contracts, which is very good for Cardano, and this can be a good multi-bagger. And next we have Solana, had amazing rally, and now having high volume coming in, that is kind of showing that there's profit booking taking place, but it did not retrace that much. So if you haven't taken a position, you can plan to take a position at this price range, but this is a better one. But I don't think the price can retrace till here, because this is a deeper correction. This would be a deeper correction. It's around 42%. That'd be a very deep correction. This is more like a feasible one, or like $100 psychological level. So if you're looking to take positions in Solana, I would prefer here, never here, or here. I would prefer here, or you can wait for what Solana is going to do, like form a base here, like a ranging action for the next move. You can pick up somewhere in this range. The next we have Mir Protocol. It's actually a very good location that you can buy, and it's still like at the bottom. This is basically bottom fishing, and you can take positions here and target some all-time highs. This is actually a very good project. It's based on an NFT, and NFT tokens or projects based on NFTs are performing very well nowadays. And next I have Fetch. Fetch.ai is an artificial intelligence project and backed by very good investors. At the moment, Fetch actually broke out a supply, and now it's pulled back to that supply, and this is kind of like an SR flip where support becomes resistance and resistance becomes support. So at the moment, that is what you're seeing, and now you can see it's actually taking support from here. So this looks like a very feasible place to go long. You can keep your SL here or even protective SL over here. And next we have DOT actually breached into a supply zone, and now it's facing rejection. So you can watch DOT for the coming days and see what kind of structure is forming. I'm expecting a range here before an up move, so you can take somewhere in the range formation. So that's it for today, guys, and I hope you guys like it. And if there is any way I could improve, or if you guys have any doubts or any coins you want me to analyze, please drop comments.